It's a Sunday afternoon around 7 a.m. Union Pacific 373 was getting ready to carry some auto racks to Green Ash Yard. Around 7:10, UP leaves to go to Green Ash Yard with a lot of auto racks, with a lot of containers of a lot of goods for people. Meanwhile, A&G Express train number 576 was heading out of the main terminal to Green Ash Station. It was carrying about 200 people to work and school. It's around 7:30. The train is going over 60 miles an hour. The passengers didn't know this was the last few minutes of their lives. It's around 7:20. Union Pacific is getting to a diner where it's going to be the last minutes of the driver's life. It's around 8 o'clock. Angie had to stop at a signal. But then, around 5 minutes later, Union Pacific 366 comes racing by, but it was too late before the driver stopped. About 100 people died from this crash, including the drivers and the conductors. This crash will be remembered, and now there are new signals in these tracks, but 995 is reported scrapped.